do.
Okay, so we valved it to the forward filter. Okay.
Yeah, so you've got to go into here.
Yep.
And this is going there, so it's good.
Okay, twist the T-handle and pull the top out. Just wiggle and bounce it. If it's stuck, hit it with the palm of your hand. Pound it with the palm of your hand. In an upward motion. Did it come loose? Wow, they're not threaded. Take my knife and slide it up the cylinder. Okay. Okay, good. And then pull the element up and see what it looks like. You see how it's pretty full?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For a minute.
Just grab that little handle and then swing it right and left, and kind of unscrew it, although it's not threaded. And then just wiggle it up, see what it looks like.
A little different.
Okay, look at the paper. Okay, see that's dirtier than the one in the front.
You think?
Okay. Do you want to change it or you want to put it back?
It looks filthy to me.
Okay, well then we'll change it. We'll leave it sit there. We'll get a Ziploc bag in a little tray so we can get that drippy thing out. Okay. We'll do that. Leave it sit there and let it drip.
Is that dirty or is that just...
That's dirty. You saw what the pink one looks like. The pink one was clean. So let that sit and drip. And we'll